y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a video on my hair because I'm planning to do my own hair. I've did this style before, trust me, but right now we need to work on this hair, baby. Like, let's get into it because I haven't been doing my hair at all and it's really naughty and stuff. So I'm just gonna go wash my hair real fast using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm not doing a deep conditioner this time.
You'll take me to another dimension. I can't even tell you how the fuck you got me feeling. Purple, pink, silver sparkles in the sky, it glistens. Yeah, you take me all the way up, you take me high. When you look at me, I'm drowning, oh, I'm mesmerized.
So I use this heat protector. It's by Icy Fantasia. You can get it at Walmart. That's where I got mine from. And then I also have this spray on olive oil from Palmer's. What I'm gonna do now, hopefully y'all can see. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is do some of my bun. Divide it into two parts. Let me get my other scrunchie. Hold up. Put this away because we're not dealing with this side right now. What I'm gonna do is just section off a part that I want to start on. I'm gonna spray some of my oil in there. I'm just telling y'all what I do. Get my heat protector. This quarantine got me bored, stuck in the house, but I still be going out because the Rona ugly. I'll be back when I'm finished to show you guys how my hair looks fully blow dried, and then we're gonna get into the styling maybe today or the next day. And them days after that. So I finally finished blow drying. And now we're gonna get to the styling part of this. I'm so tired. My hands hurt a little, but not that much. So I'm just gonna push it and just finish this hairstyle once and for all. Temporarily what we're gonna do is just focus on the edges. Although we just have our part right here, we're gonna really focus on the edges. I'm gonna try to like slant my mirror so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing too. Get a hair tie. Put my hair in a like brush it back a little so you know, like you have an idea of what how your ponytail is gonna be. And then just put a hair tie at the end of your hair. Now for this, you don't really, for this hairstyle, you don't really have to blow dry your hair. It's not necessary, but like for me, I like mine to last long and then to look a little like believable instead of having like my curl pattern and then straight hair braided. It just doesn't look right to me. So basically, it's just take some of my edges out of this ponytail because I don't know why, but for me, when I do like weave, like anything with weave, I automatically take a little bit more than my baby hair just so that it could look really believable because dramatic edges and long hair goes. But like when I'm doing my natural hair, I just use my regular little edges that be right there. So yeah, so what you're gonna need is got to be glued. I don't know, you can use the black one or you can use the yellow one. I'm gonna try the black one out because it's my first time trying the black one. I usually use the yellow one. So what I'm gonna do is just take out some of my hair that I want. I really like the swoop hair and then just one swoop there for that look. So that's all I'm doing. So it's just take like just a little bit of hair from there and like right there. I think that's enough for this baby hair swoop. So what I'm gonna do is just take some of the got to be glued, cause this works wonders, but just a little bit because I don't like using a lot. But what I'm gonna do is just take it and put it on the roots of my hair. If y'all can't see, I'm gonna I know you guys will be able to see this side anyway. So what I'm gonna do is, after I do that, okay, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just swoop it in. And that's just one swoop, okay? That's literally all I have to do for these swoops. And that's just one swoop. So what I'm gonna do is now take the my edge control brush. I don't know if you guys can see it because if anything, I'm gonna just cut out this part and explain again on this side. But anyway, so I'm just gonna brush it until it looks how I want it to look. Okay, so now that I'm finished, I'm gonna loose this out now, and I'm gonna take this again. Got to be glued, you know, you can't go wrong with it. Just a little bit though, because I don't know if it, like sometimes it be flaking on me, so.
So what I'm gonna do is just go over this part, and then so now what we're gonna do is
so now that the ponytail part is finished, what you're gonna do is just get your hair from now. Like, I really don't need any, but if you know me, I always wear weave. I just like weave, like I don't know why. But anyway, so for this, I always just use this 3X. Just go to your beauty supply store and get the pre-stretched hair. And the one that I get, I just always look for the one that comes in 3, and then that's it. So what I'm gonna do is just take the other, take one of these out. Why, but a lot of people ask me why I wear weave and I have my hair, and I'm just like, because I don't want to deal with this every day. I'm very lazy. Are you gonna come and do my hair for me? I think not. So no, separate it into 3, like one big one in the middle of that size, and then a smaller one to that one. Okay, that you have. Put it in this braid right here. And you're gonna take this other piece of hair. But what you're gonna do is, after you add it in, you're gonna come back to this piece that doesn't have any hair. Oops. Okay, now I'm gonna turn around. Although I can't see, I can feel it. And with this hair, what you're gonna do, this is basically the least part of it is just to make it longer. So you're gonna take some of it. You're gonna take some of it and you're gonna add it to this. I don't know if you guys could still see. I'm trying to like show you guys every detail of it because yeah. So then you just braid down. Okay, and what I do with mine is I stop like about this point. I don't know if you guys can see, but this point, and then I add a rubber band at the end. Hopefully with this hair, because my hair is so thick, what I'm gonna do is get another pin, like a hairpin, literally, and this part right here, because I know like that's when I added hair. I'm just gonna take some of my pin and like pin it downward in my, yep. So that's really it. This is just one, and then just dip it in hot boiled water, and then you're done, good to go, and just wear your hair. See y'all later. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Hopefully I explained to you guys what y'all did. I know most people just braid their hair and then put it on, but I don't like doing that because no ma'am. Because my hair, I can't do that. I can't do that. Because it'll look really like noticeable. Like because my hair can go in a small little tiny bun. Can't do none of that. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and just let me know if you guys do something differently to me, or you guys do the same thing, or you guys would like to try this method and it worked for you. Hopefully I explained it like right for the braiding part, because it's totally easy. And yeah.